So we'll continue the tangent to circles. See the different questions on this. Okay, let's see. I think we had left with question number 11. Question number 11. That is circle chapter. Prove that the parallelogram. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. Not that difficult. Try to say circle parallelogram A, B, C, D. Parallelogram means what? Opposite sides are equal. Given AD equals to BC. Then AB equals to BC. You want to prove it is a rhombus. So to prove AD equals to AB. So this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Touching the circle. Okay, circumscribing with C touching here. So now you know the tangents drawn from external point are equal. You can write down the tangents drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. Means this will be the tangent na? This. So AP equals to AS. AP equals to AS. This. Similarly BP equals to BQ. Then CQ is equal to CI. Then DR equals to DS. Okay. Now start. How to start? Start with AD plus BC. Start with AD plus BC equals to what? AD two parts, DS plus AS. DS plus AS. Then BC. BC is BQ plus CQ. Okay. Now look, what is DS? DS is equal to DR. So write DR. AS. What is AS? Now AP. With AP now you need BQ. With AP now you need BP. BQ is equal to BP. BP is equal to BQ. So AP you write here BP. with dr. What unit? CR. CR means, look at, CR equals to CQ. So CQ will be CR. Then what will you get? dr CR together. Keep AP plus BP together. What is dr plus CR? dr plus CR, DC. So you get, so now implies AD plus BC, right side became DC plus AP plus BP is AB. Okay, now look, parallelogram, these two sides are equal, since AD equals to BC, BC equals to AB, DC is equal to AB, opposite sides are equal, so this will be 2AD, this will be 2AD, 2AD. Then DC plus AB, DC and AB are same, so 2AB, or 2 to cancel, therefore AD equals to AB. So AD equals to AB means it became a rhombus. Okay, next. See question number 12. Question number 12. That is, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter, such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact B. BC is divided by the point of contact B. Okay, R of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Then what happens? Find the sides AB and AC. Find the sides AB and AC. Okay, try to understand. Triangle is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4. There is a circle, triangle is drawn. Okay, then this is C, suppose this is B, suppose this is A, suppose BC is divided with the point of contact. Point of contact means become the tangent. Okay, here is the radius 4, this is 4, such that BD and DC, BD is 8, DC is 6. You are asked to find what is AC, what is AB. Suppose this is your point E, this is suppose A. Let's see what are the things given to us. Okay, if I drop a tangent here, this will be 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Got the point? Okay, now what else you can find on this? Acha, you can see here DC equals to DF to CF, that is 6 centimeter. BD equals to, that means this is 6, BD equals to BE, that is 8, this is 8. Okay, these two parts we don't know. This is suppose X, this will be X. That means AF equals to AE, that is your X. Okay, now if you join this is your triangle here. Now if I join this, what shall I get? Look at 3 triangles you are finding. Okay, now tell me, because this is radius is perpendicular to tangent, what is area of BOC? Half base is BD, BC into height is OD. How much you got? BC means 14, or 14 into 4, 28. 28. Then what is BOA? What is area of AOB triangle? Similarly, half base is AB into height OE, but this is radius, this is also 4, this is also 4. So how much you will get? That is half, this is 8 plus x, 8 plus x into 4, 16 plus 2x. Similarly, what is area of AOC? Area of AOC, half AOC is SC into OA. SC, what is SC? 6 plus x. OA into 4. How much you got? 212 plus x. Now look, what is area of ABC triangle? Therefore, I can just draw it here. Area of ABC triangle is area of BOC plus area of BOA or AOB plus area of AOC. So B was it, you have got 28 plus this, how much you got, 16 plus 2x plus this is 12 plus 2x, 12 plus 2x. So 40, 56 plus 4x. This is the total area. Also there is another formula, Heron formula, to find area of ABC triangle. Also you can write, also area of ABC triangle is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C into. What is S? S is sum of the three sides. S is AB plus BC plus AC by 2. AB plus BC plus AC by 2. Okay. Bit lengthy, but still you can see AB is how much? 8 plus x. This is 14 plus 6 plus x divided by 2. 28 plus 2x by 2. 2 common. 14 plus x by 2. Cancel. This is your S. This is you got. What is called A? A, B, C. Look, A means small a angle का opposite side, that is BC. How much? 14. What is small b? B angle का opposite, that means AC. How much? 6 plus x. What is C? C angle का opposite AB. 8 plus x. So now area is this formula, put here. So S is how much? 14 plus x into S minus A. 14 plus x minus A. A means 14 into 14 plus x minus B. B means 6 plus x. So minus 6 you write. Then 14 plus x minus C. 8 plus x. Minus 8 minus x. So here is 14 cancelled. Here is x cancelled. Here is also x cancelled. So how much you got? So root over is here. 14 plus x. This is x. This is 8. This is 6. Root over. Okay. Now there is a way to calculate. What you have to do is, also previously how much you have got area. Also area of ABC you had got 56 plus 4x. Three triangles you have added, you have got this one, then this one equals to this one, so implies 56 plus 4x is 14 plus x 56 48 root over. How to solve? Now you have to simplify, squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. What do you get? log 56 plus 4x square 14 plus x into 48x. अच्छा, here is a way to square also here. Here is a way to simplify. But now 4 is common. Take out 4 common. Now 14 plus x. What total is square? What is left out here? Now 14 plus x into 48x. Okay. Now because square and square root of, so this is 16 into 14 plus x whole square. 14 plus x 48x. Look at this is cancelled, 1 is cancelled. 16 3 is 48. So 14 plus x is equal to 3x. 14 plus x equal to 3x. So 14 is equal to 3x minus x, that is 2x. The x is how much? 14 by 2, 7. X you got 7. Now what you have to get? You have to get AB. AB. Right side, how much you have got? 8 plus x. That is 8 plus 7. 15. AC. That is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 7. 13 centimeters. Okay. We have one more question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Okay, अच्छा look at quadrilateral. This is any circle. This is one side, this is second side, this is third side, this is fourth side. A, B, C, D. Opposite sides. A, B, D, C opposite sides at the center. This one angle, this is another angle. This supplementary. This and this will be 180 degree. So if I write this is O, then you try to prove AOB plus DOC supplementary 180 degree. Other side AD means AOD plus DOC. Sorry, AOD इसका opposite side is this one, that is BOC equals to 180 degree. Okay, so what you have to do is join this two radius. Okay, now let's do it again here. Bigger figure is required. A, B, C, D. Okay, center. This is supplementary to this. E supplementary. AOB, DOC. Okay, so what you can do is, suppose I draw a line. May be straight, may not be, doesn't matter. I can draw one here also. P, Q, R, S. So many angles. So what I can do is, I can give the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, look at which angles are equal. If I take ASOR, already have to prove there. In ASO triangle and ARO triangle, what do you find? AS equals to here, tangents from external point are equal. AS equals to AR. Then this is 90 degree. S angle equals to R angle 90 degree. Then AO, the AO. Okay, that means what did you get? Congruent. ASO triangle congruent to ARO triangle. So congruent means remaining angles will be equal. Remaining means 2 and 3 will be equal. 2 equals to 3. Similarly, here other quadrilateral you see. Which quadrilateral you see? This is also another quadrilateral. Look at here. The 1 is equal to 8. You have to check the quadrilaterals. This two triangles. So 1 is equal to 8. Similarly, another quadrilateral you see here. 7 equals to 6. This quadrilateral. 7 equals to 6. Then what you will get? Another quadrilateral. 4 is equal to 5. All these 4 angles, sorry, all 8 angles equals to how much? 360. So you can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals to 360 degree total. So now look at here. If you want to prove ये वाला एंगल, Supplementary which side? You have to see the side, not this one. You have to check AB का angle means which one? 1 2. 1 2 relation should be equal to, इसका opposite is this side 5 6. Means 1 2 and 5 6 relation you have to create. So 1 I have to keep. I have to keep 1. Then in place of 1 2 I have to keep. That means 3 is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2. Because I have to keep 1 2. This and this angle I have to keep, na, supplementary. So 3 के जगह पर 2. Then you come back to this side. 4 will remain. 4 will not remain. 5 will remain. 4 की जगह पर 5 plus 5. Okay. Then 6 will remain. 7 will not remain. 6 will remain. फिर 7 की जगह पर 6. Then 8 will not remain. 8 is equal to 1. So 8 की जगह पर 1 equals to 360. Okay. How did you get? 2 1 2 times 1 angle 2 times 2 angle plus 2 times 5 angle 2 times 6 angle 2 times 5 angle 2 times 6 angle equals to 360. So 2 common, take out 2, angle 1 2 3 4 360. 2 you divide, 2 if you divide, what did you get? Now 1 plus 2 together 3, sorry 5 6, no, 5 6 together. by 2 180. What is 1 plus 2? AOB. Okay, 5 6 5 6 5 6. Which one? DOC. 180. Now you will try second part. You try complete this. Which one you will try? Now BOC plus BOC means 8 7 relation you have to create, 3 4 relation you have to create. AOD is 180. How to create relation? Look at here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, 360. Now here you are writing 1 is equal to 8. Now you will write 1 की जगह पर 8. Then again in place of 3 you are writing 2. Now ulta you have to write. In place of 3 you have to write 2. In place of 5 you have to write 4. In place of 6 you have to write 7. Then this pair will come out. So try to complete. So also all examples homework. All examples homework. So this chapter is completed. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter.